Yo, hello, it's Revi here, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make a 8D audio effect in Sony Vegas. And yeah, if you guys want to support me, I have a website, so feel free to check that out. But yeah, let's get right into this. So the first thing you're going to do here is to add your song or audio. So do that first, just like that, and this is the song I'm using. And to make this 8D audio here, we're going to click here on more and then press activate automation controls. And here you can see we have a center here. So if we drag this one all the way to the right, you can hear now, guys, that it's just going to sound in the right ear. And then if we turn it to left, it's only going to sound in the left ear. So yeah, we're going to start with it in the center and then just double click on the line to create some points here and there. Kind of want to have the same distance between. Just do that, and then with this go right, left, right, left, and then when you play this now, and if you want to have it more closer, you can just, bring them a little bit more together. And if you don't want to have it to be at 100% to the right, because you might think it's too loud on the right, you can set it here to minus 75%. On the right instead, for example. That is basically it, how you make a 8D audio effect in Sony Vegas. And yeah, so if you have any new ideas on tutorials I can make, please comment that down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my website and join my Discord. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Take care and have a nice day.